Okay. I'll show you, okay?
You don't have to.
Let's go, Daddy.
Where are you going?
We're gonna go check out that thing, Daddy.
What thing?
We're gonna go check out what I want to show you.
What thing?
It's over on Western Sarah Boulevard and Silver Sage, Daddy.
I don't want to see a pedestrian button over there just because they fixed it. How am I supposed to tell it was broken in the first place?
Because maybe I'll tell you something I'll tell you what happened. Like,
you don't have to tell me shit.
Daddy, I just want to see it.
We said 2 pedestrian buttons. We're gonna be 2.
I want to see.
You see it every day when you drive by it on the bus.
And I want to see. And
you see it every day when you driving the bus.
I know that, Daddy, but I want you to see it to see.
I don't need to see it, Shay. I don't have an urge to go see the pedestrian button.
But I still want to drive at it. I want to
drive
drive through
when
it.
you turn 16. You can go over there.
No, I want to drive through it now.
Well, you can't drive.
No. I know I can't drive, but you can, Daddy. Here we come, Western Center. Whoa, Daddy. Why are you going so fast?
Because I want to get rear-ended, Shay.
Rear-ended?
Car's coming up behind us.
Oh, I see. Hey, be careful, Daddy. We don't want to end up getting a speeding ticket.
I'm barely speeding.
Oh. very annoying.
Osage.
Maybe we can go there. Maybe we can go there on our little. When we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that on my wish list.
When we
Things
go-
to do.
Daddy. You're starting to make me want to giggle myself.
I'm gonna put that on my bucket list, Shay.
Bucket list. Like you have a bucket list.
I'm starting one.
Whoa.
That one's always going up on the bottom.
What? That stuff?
Yeah, go and see a pedestrian button, yeah.
Are you kidding me, Daddy? It's on the top.
It's always on the bottom. It's the last thing I want to go see.
Look at that, Daddy. That's a big one.
Big one what?
That's a big building right there, Daddy.
A big what?
It might be a restaurant, Daddy.
No.
Or even better, a gas station. Right?
I don't think it's gonna be a gas station.
If it is, Daddy. We'll find out soon.
What sunset you catching now, Shay?
Whoa. Got the sunset on camera.
You like the Magnum mount you got there?
Yeah.
So you gonna start
I'll start using it when I do train videos. That means no more shaky videos on my phone.
driving videos?
Yeah, I've already done 3 of them so far. I'm working on this one right now, which is the 3rd. 2 of them are already done. Mostly just my crosswalk button looking
So you gotta put
around.
music on it or what?
I am gonna put music on it once I'm done up videotaping this.
How about you put the tape in?
Daddy, what are you thinking? What are you thinking?
Why'd you put the tape in? You said you're videotaping.
It doesn't. I just mean like I'm filming.
Oh, you're filming, I see.
Even if it sounds more like videotaping to me.
You're recording.
Yeah. Another fun train time to do.
I wonder how's it gonna look once you turn up here. Got a cool white streak up there.
Whoa, look at all these whirly clouds, Daddy. There's some whirly pink clouds. But that white one right there, whoa.
Well, no, that's gonna look on the camera.
It looks like it's scorched. It's like it's been scorched.
No, it's just a white cloud that gets lit up by the sun all the way down.
Oh, I thought it was scorch.
Yeah, that's a vapor trail from an airplane.
A vapor trail? I think I know what a vapor trail is because I see
You know all those lines they have.
Those jets, those little jetty things, like that one up there right now. That one,
Yeah, it leaves a vapor trail.
it's kind of hard to focus. It's kind of hard to see the little.
It's because it's a wide angle lens you use.
It's in a wide angle, but when it's in closer, you can get a better view of it, which is not
They're
expected.
building some new stuff over here.
Another neighborhood.
Got 2 model homes there.
2 model homes, Daddy. I think there's a model home over at that other where Cindy's school is. There's a model home over there too, Daddy. Remember those model homes we had to visit in Arizona? It kind of reminds me of that.
Well, that's basically the same thing, Shay.
Let's put into a new scenery. This video is 11 minutes long.